Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to unsend a GIF from your chat on Instagram. Whether you send it by mistake or just changed your mind, this feature is a lifesaver. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. The app's interface is user-friendly, so you'll find everything you need right at your fingertips. Next, look for the messages icon located at the top of the page. It usually looks like a paper airplane. Tap on it to access your direct messages. This will bring up all your recent conversations. Now, find and open the chat that contains the GIF you want to unsend. Scroll through your messages until you locate the specific GIF that you wish to delete. Remember, you can only unsend messages within 24 hours of sending them, so act quickly. Once you've found the GIF, it's time for the crucial step. Click and hold on the GIF until a menu pops up. This menu will give you several options related to that message. Look for the option that says Unsend. After selecting Unsend, Instagram may prompt you to confirm your decision. Simply click on Unsend again to finalize the action. Once you've done this, the GIF will be removed from both your chat and the recipient's chat, leaving no trace behind. And there you have it. You've successfully unsent a GIF from your Instagram chat. This feature not only helps in correcting mistakes, but also gives you more control over your conversations. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Instagram effectively. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.